Namaskar, and myself Swami Om Prakash, and today I am here at Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra, the beautiful place. Kurukshetra, the most surprised place for anyone. Kurukshetra, the most divine place of the earth because of Mahabharata Yuddha, because of Lord Krishna, and today I am going to visit a new thing about Kurukshetra. So, start the spiritual journey with me. And now you are looking Lord Shiva. This place is Thaneshwar Mahadev. Before we enter into Lord Shiva Mandir, Lord Shiva temple, before we going to visit Bhagavan Shiv, we should do darshan of Nandi Baba, and then we can enter into this great temple. The Thaneshwar Mahadev Mandir Sansthan, Thaneshwar Dharmkshetra, Kurukshetra, Haryana. And I would like to tell you this great place. You can study in Hindi. And now I am going enter this beautiful temple that is called Sthan Vishwar Mahadev temple. So come with me. The temple called Sthan Vishwar is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Now I am in the temple and you are doing darshan of Lord Shiva. The presiding deity of the ancient city of Sthan Vishwar, presently known as Thaneshwar. You can say Thaneshwar. The legends place its antiquity to Mahabharata period. It is said that Lord Krishna worshipped Lord Shiva here along with the Pandavas and got the blessing for the victory in the forthcoming battle of Mahabharata. A pilgrimage to Kurukshetra without visiting this Tirtha is supposed to be incomplete and fruitless. And when we talk about this temple, we should also think about Pushpabhuti, the founder of the Vardhana Empire of Thaneshwar, named the capital of his kingdom after Sthaneshwar Shiva. The present temple is said to be constructed by Sadashivara Bhau the commander-in-chief of Maratha forces, to commemorate his victory over Ahmad Shah Abdali at Kunjpura before the third battle of Panipat. So, now you can understand the importance of this Thaneshwar Mahadev. Lord Krishna got blessings from Lord Shiva to get victory in Mahabharata. And another one in our era, in modern period, Sadashiv Rao Bhau, the commander-in-chief of Maratha forces, got blessings from Lord Shiva. So, if you want also blessings from Lord Shiva, you should visit this place, Thaneshwar Mahadev, Kurukshetra, Haryana, India. Thanks a lot for watching and namaskar.